Four people arrested and $2.5 million recovered in the Beryllium robbery that took place in Mandeville, Manchester last week, Friday. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Four persons, including a woman, have been arrested and more than $2.5 million recovered in relation to last Friday's brazen robbery at the Scotiabank located on Ward Avenue in Mandeville, Manchester. The disclosure was made by Deputy Commissioner of Police Fitz Bailey, who is in charge of the crime and security portfolio, at a press conference at the Greater Portmore Police Station in St. Catherine on Wednesday. Bailey said that a high-level investigation continues into the robbery, in which a Beryllium security team making cash drop-off came under heavy gunfire from criminals. At this time, I can report that we have arrested four persons, including a female, and we have recovered so far over $2.5 million, said Bailey.
I know the nation's attention is now focused on the incident that occurred on Friday in Mandeville, the attack on the Beryllium workers who went to transport money from Bank of Nova Scotia, and that attack which has caused or caught national attention. I just want to point out that we are conducting a high-level investigation in that matter, and at this time I can report that we have arrested four persons, including a female, and we have recovered so far over 2.5 million Jamaican dollars. The investigation continues as we seek to bring those who are responsible for that act, which I consider is something that is bordering on terrorism. When you can, at that time of the day, without any form of provocation, fire your weapon carelessly, injuring at least 5 people. 2 were seriously injured by that shooting. But we commit, as an organization, the JCF commit ourselves to ensure that this matter is properly investigated and all those persons who are responsible will be brought to justice. I am confident that it will be done.
Mr. Bailey further stated that the Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF will properly investigate the matter. We commit to an organization to ensure that this matter is properly investigated and all the persons who are responsible will be brought to justice. I am confident that it will be done, he declared. According to police report, men with high-powered rifles attacked the Beryllium security team late on Friday afternoon. The attackers were reportedly challenged, but they managed to make off with 2 bags containing cash that were being delivered to the location. They escaped in a waiting motor car. 5 bystanders were shot and injured and taken to hospital. 2 of the individuals remain admitted in serious condition. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.